Today we are dealing with a hybrid Toyota Crown. Cannot start due to the fact that the battery is dead, been parked for a while. So first we have to take off the cover, the fuse box cover. It's right on this side. And right here where we have this lid, the red lid, you're gonna connect your jumper cable, the positive one, on it. Let's try and see if you can get it. Right on that silver part here. And then you can connect the ground on any ground on the engine or on the chassis. And just allow it to build up a bit, and then you can go straight ahead and start it.